It's time for the impact of mining video. Remember that the rubric specifies this part of the assignment is worth 35 points, so you want to do it well. Make sure that you narrate clearly, that you talk at an appropriate pace, and that your video is informational. Cell phones use specific rare metals. These metals are hard to find and are mined from the earth. We're going to research the environmental and socioeconomic impact of mining for metals. Socioeconomic means we're talking about people's money, jobs, and living conditions. For example, the kind of house they live in, the food they can buy, and the schools they attend. Here's a more specific example. Families with different incomes may live in different neighborhoods. That pertains to socioeconomics. So it's really all about how much they have, where they live, and what they do. The other important term is environmental. By environmental, what we mean is we're talking about nature and the world around us, such as air, water, land, and animals. For example, pollution is an environmental problem. In order to be informational, as the rubric specified, and do a good job in this video, you want to make sure that you consult the following articles, which will be linked on the instructions page. Select the hidden costs of smartphones. This page should appear. Note that if you wish, you can listen to this. Everything that is written on the page is listenable if you click on the link at the top. Read through this article to learn how people's socioeconomic status is impacted by mining for smartphone metals. Clicking on the other link will bring you to this page. It's also listenable. This article will help you understand how mining for smartphone metals is impacting the environment. As you listen and or read through these articles, take notes, but be careful not to copy from what the articles say. Just use the ideas and put them in your own words. When you finish reading both articles and gathering important information to help you in your video, be sure to give credit to where you got the ideas by gathering the links from both pages. At the top of your screen, look for the link, press and hold, select copy. Double-click on your first citation box in the bottom right-hand corner. Move your cursor in front of the colon. Long press. Choose paste, and then paste again. If you select the box, you can use the minus sign to shrink the size of the text so that it fits more neatly. Repeat this step for the other link. Now that you've done your research, you're ready to record a video of yourself. You can either do a talking head video where you talk right to the camera, or you can do a screen recording. If you do a screen recording, I encourage you to create a slide that will help you explain what you're talking about and make the video more interesting. An easy way to create a slide is to type slides.new. And then you can work with one slide, or you can have several slides to help you convey your key ideas. It's also okay to use Canva to put together a slideshow for your video. If you're going to set up a talking head, make sure that you set it up as follows. To record a talking head video, find your camera icon. The easiest way to do this is to swipe down from the top right-hand corner and click the camera. Make sure that you have on the right side video selected. And then you're going to want to make sure you press the reverse arrows. It's the double arrow just above the record button. That will set your camera to face you. Make sure that your picture is in the center of the camera and that your camera is propped up so that it shows just the space above your head. You don't want a ton of space above your head, but you also don't want to cut your head off. Both of these look funny. When you're ready, press the record button. If you're going to do a screen recording, make sure that your microphone is prepared to record your voice. Follow the instructions in this video. Swipe down in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Press and hold on the record icon. At the bottom of the screen, make sure that the microphone button is red and reads microphone on. This is very important. If your microphone is not on, your voice will not be recorded, so everything you do will need to be redone later. You will not be happy. Make sure your record button shows that the microphone is on. If you don't have the record button, look at the top of the screen for the little plus sign. Press it. You should see now at the bottom, add a control. If it's not already there, look for the screen recording icon and add it to your screen. I already have it, so I just added a duplicate. I don't need the extra. But if yours is missing the record icon, that's the way to add it. When you're done, tap the screen again, and now you should have the recording icon. So make sure that your microphone is on. When you're ready to record, just press the record button, and you can either click start recording if you long pressed like I just did, or you can just tap it. You will know that the screen is recording because in the top right hand corner, you will see a red icon with a target in the center of it. That shows you that it's currently recording. When you're done recording, press the red record icon again.